Hi, we will see Laplace transform of some special functions today. So there are three special functions we can study today. One is periodic function, second is Heaviside unit step function, and third is direct delta function. Now we will start with Laplace transform of periodic function. So periodic function is defined as f of t plus capital T is equal to f of t. So where t is the period. Okay, so when we want to take Laplace transform, we write if Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of the periodic function, so that can be defined as e raised to minus st f of t dt integral 0 to t, and then we add one more term, that is 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus st. You can note that the period of integration is not from 0 to infinity, it is from 0 to t. Next we will see Laplace transform of Heaviside unit step function. So before we find Laplace transform, let us first understand what is Heaviside unit step function. Heaviside unit step function, as shown in this diagram, it has a value 0 when t is less than 0. You can see here this t value less than 0, the function value is 0, and after t equal to 0 or t more than equal to 0, the function value is 1, and then it remains 1 throughout. So this is Heaviside unit step function. And Laplace transform, as you can see here, Laplace transform of h of t is Heaviside unit step function. So Laplace transform of h of t is 1 upon s. Now we will see direct delta function. We will see Laplace transform of direct delta function. So before we go to direct delta function Laplace transform, we will see what is direct delta function. So if direct delta function is shown here in this diagram, so it has the value 0 from 0 to a, and from a to a plus epsilon. Epsilon is a very small quantity. The magnitude of the function is 1 upon epsilon. Okay, so the function is defined as f of t is equal to 0 for t less than a. It is 1 upon epsilon for t between a and a plus epsilon, and it is 0 again for t more than a plus epsilon. So as you can see here, Laplace transform of direct delta function is 1.